Have you ever wondered why objects can appear upside down when photographing them through a glass of water? Or why their appearance and size can change? This phenomenon is known as refraction, and you can utilize it in some fun ways in your photography. To break it down visually, refraction occurs when light passes from one medium, like air, through a new medium of a different mass, such as water. The result is the slowing down or bending of the light wave. This allows us to perceive something in a new way. And with a little creativity, you can use this unique effect in your photo and video practices. These are just a few you can try at home. All you need is a camera and a lens. If the lens has a macro design or close focusing capabilities, that will be very useful. Experiment with the effect to get a sense of what's actually happening. Fill a glass with water and place an object inside the glass. You'll see how the object shifts in the frame at the point of entry into the water. If we place that object directly behind the glass, we'll still get the same effect, but as we move the object further back, you'll notice the object will suddenly flip. Experiment with photographing different objects and backgrounds behind a glass of water or any clear glass container filled with a transparent liquid. Water droplets can make for some interesting miniature subjects, but you'll definitely need a macro lens to photograph them. Lay down a piece of glass so you can shoot through it. You can use the glass right out of a picture frame. Treat the glass with some water repellent and then mist some of the water on the glass. This will make the water bead up nicely. Place something underneath the water droplet and place the light on it. The light reflecting off the object will refract through the water droplet and allow you to see the entire scene. This also works well with water drops from a faucet. Experiment with what you can place behind a droplet or a faucet drip. If you're working with a single light source, you can create a gradient on a background that will be reversed in a filled glass, giving the effect that the light is coming from the opposite side of the glass. This can give the effect that there is more than a single source of light at work in your image. Using darker objects to create gradients, like with a piece of black cardboard, is an interesting way to use refraction in a less obvious way. Using it this way can create a darker edge on a piece of glass that is in front of a bright background. In this example, we are only lighting the background behind the glass, but we've introduced a dark object on either side just out of frame. Because of where we place the black cardboard and refraction, it appears to give the glass a defined edge. There are also some tools out there that can be used for refraction photography, such as glass or crystal balls and prisms. These spherical glass balls can create wide-angle scenes when you shoot through them. Try framing up a scene inside the glass ball and see where your creativity brings you. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button below. This is Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.